how to create a group chat or how to start a group text on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can create or start a group text or chat on iPhone. Now, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you can simply go ahead and open up your messages on iPhone, your iMessages, and then you want to tap on the edit icon or the create icon at the top right. You can see the pencil icon there. You want to tap on it, the new messages icon that is. Once you do so, here you can see it'll ask you to enter in the recipient there too. If you tap on plus icon, you'll be able to select from your contacts. You can simply select particular contact and then tap on plus again and then select another contact and then tap on plus again and then select another contact. Once you add in all the contacts that you want to send the chat to or the text to, you can simply write in your text over here and then tap on send option. So this is the way that you can start a group text or create group chat on iPhone on iMessages. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.